Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville Oracle Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the steamer was very low and it wasn't grinding fine enough, which we pretty much clean up the grinder and put new beans in there. We're putting 150 bar right now. Put new beans in there and that pretty much helped the grinder to be more effective. You do now no longer need to go all the way to fine, and pretty much you can stay a little bit more coarser. The machine will work perfectly fine. We also replaced the boiler gaskets on top of the machine, especially for the steamer one. That's why it was not having a lot of steam pressure. It wasn't pretty much creating a good seal. There was a little one of the gaskets was pretty much hissing and letting steam escape from the boiler, and it wasn't really at full pressure the way it should be. Right now you can definitely see it could go a little bit more finer, but it would pretty much nothing will come out from this machine. It would just be pushing the machine too much if we go more finer than this. So the grinder working perfectly fine, and you can definitely see. And now for the steamer, having good pressure and working perfectly fine, as well as the hot water, as you can see right there. Breville Oracle working once again. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.